Reposting someone's story is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch up your Instagram application. Once that's launched up, you're going to click on the icon on the far right of the bottom navigation to go to your profile. Now that we are on our profile, you need to understand that you can only repost people's story that who have a public profile. You cannot repost a private profile story. So to give that example of the private profile, let's go to this message. Now this friend of mine here has a private profile, and you can see once I click on the share button at the bottom, you see I do not have the option to share the story. Now let's go to a public account with a story. Let's look for yeah, so we have this account. Now once we click on their story and we click on the share button, you can see at the bottom here it has add to story, and we can click on add to story from here, and you're going to click on your story. And just like that, when we go to our story and we check, we can see that the story has been reposted into our story. Now that's how to repost someone's story on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.